British Columbia invited 387 immigration candidates in two PNP draws, which are held on July 6th. British Columbia has been conducting two separate rounds of invitations under its PNP program since February. The province holds a general draw and a second draw targeting retail and wholesale trade managers as well as restaurant and food service managers. According to the information released by the province, this second draw is due to a high number of people registered in the BC PNP Skills Immigration Registration System, which is called as SIRS. With these two occupations, by holding these additional draws, the province aims to balance the needs in all sectors of the provincial labour market. Candidates from the Skills Immigration and the Express Entry BC streams of the BC PNP received invitations. In the first draw, the minimum scores ranged between 75 and 92 points. A total of 342 candidates were invited. The separate draw was also conducted under SI and Express Entry BC categories. Targeted candidates whose occupations falls under NOC 0621 or NOC 0631. The draw resulted in 45 invitations with scores of 108. About the BC Provincial Nominee Program, the BC PNP aims to attract foreign workers who are in high demand in the province and who wish to become permanent residents of Canada. The BC PNP has two immigration streams, Skills Immigration and Express Entry, both of which are divided into subcategories. These streams are managed under BC Skills Immigration Registration System called as SIRS. In order to apply through the SIRS, you are first required to register an account. Once this is done, you will be assigned a score based on factors such as education, work experience, and language skills. The highest scoring candidates from each subcategory are then invited to apply to provincial nomination to apply for permanent residency when British Columbia conducts one of its regular draws. If you received an invitation, you will have 30 days from the date of the invitation to submit a complete application through the BC PNP online system. Once you submit a complete BC PNP application package, you will be notified of the province decision within approximately 2 to 3 months. If your nomination is successful, you become eligible to apply to IRCC for permanent resident status under the provincial nominee class. The nomination is valid for approximately 6 months from the date of confirmation. As a provincial nominee, you may receive an additional 600 points under the CRS and therefore have a score high enough to receive an invitation to apply during a subsequent federal express entry draw.